Hello everyone. I get a lot of people asking me whether AI can be useful in qualitative data analysis. Well, it looks like it can, and today we are going to explore that. So to do that, you have to go to explore GPTs and then you search for qualitative. So you choose this, the qualitative research data analysis. So far, that seems to be the best that I've found. So you start that, and then you prompt it to identify all themes from the transcript and provide unedited goes to support each theme. Then you can attach your transcripts. Once that is done, you hit the enter. Then it's going to start. So there's a transcript from my MPhil research, which I've already published from. Yes. So as you can see, there were 9 themes from just one transcript. So you can do that for the rest of your transcripts and then consolidate everything.